how to use custom emoji Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to get a personal touch to your Instagram chats with custom emoji. First of all, in the contacts option after opening your app, search for stickers and then download on the second option. Now under emoji, I'll click on new emoji pack and then it will give me three options to choose animated, video or static emoji. I'll click on static emoji and then it will ask me to tell me the name of my set. I'll just click a random name and then I'll get a message like this. So for the custom emoji, the image file should be in PNG or WEP format. Now I've downloaded a PNG photo of a penguin. I've selected it from my files and I've sent it. Now it has asked me to send me a replacement emoji that corresponds to my custom emoji. So on the search bar, I'll search for penguin and then I'll send in the penguin emoji. And there we go. You get your custom emoji. So it looks like that. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.